Hello and welcome to today's webcast. My name is Paul Evanson and I'm the Technology and Cloud Lead in Customer Success Services Organization. On the agenda today, I will talk about the benefits and services of Enterprise Priority and how they apply to you as the customer. We will review what's new in our offering for this year and we'll have some time at the end for the Q&A. So as you can see, our agenda is really packed today. Before we begin, I want to remind everyone that your lines are muted. This is for everyone's convenience, so we don't have a lot of background noise. Please use the raise your hand feature, as you can see on your screen, to ask a question live, or if you want, you can type in your question into the Q&A pod, and we will moderate the Q&A session at the end, read out your questions, and answer them for everyone. This session is being recorded. We will post the recording for on-demand viewing, and you can share it with your colleagues on our Enterprise Hub, which is at https://enterprisehub.autodesk.com. And I'll talk more about the Enterprise Hub in the upcoming slides. All right, we have a lot of folks on the line today, so I'd love to hear from each of you. Where are you dialing in from? A quick introduction and your location. So if you take a moment and type in your name, where are you dialing in from today, and just say hello to me. I'd greatly appreciate it. As you can see, I'm Paul Levinson, as I said, and I'm actually dialing in today from San Francisco, California. Let's give everyone a minute to type in hello and a quick intro. All right, a lot of people on today. Great to have everyone here. Thank you everyone for joining and introducing yourself. So let's go ahead and start with our content. Let me start with what to expect from this meeting. The goal for today's webinar is simple. I'd like each of you to learn 3 key things. I want you to learn more about the strategic partnership between your company and Autodesk, become familiar with key features and benefits available to you so you can take advantage of them and start using them as soon as possible. As I walk you through the various features and services of the Enterprise Priority Support offering, keep in mind that some of these are new and were recently created based on the feedback that we receive from customers just like you. In fact, today we'll cover some of those new features. We say this often, and it's a foundational piece of our offering and your partnership with Autodesk. Your feedback is a gift. We strive to continuously improve our offering, so once again, I ask you to please take a couple of minutes at the end of this presentation and answer our short survey. And remember, it will take some time to answer your questions. We'll take some time to answer your questions as well at the end. All right, let's start from the top. You may be wondering the obvious. What is the Enterprise Business Agreement that your company has with Autodesk? An Enterprise Business Agreement, or how we refer to it as EBA, is essentially a strategic partnership with Autodesk that gives you 2 key benefits. One is flexible access to a broad range of technologies. And second, customer success management. These 2 key features of an EBA are designed to provide you with a competitive advantage to help you improve operational effectiveness and ultimately help you deliver greater business value from your technology investment when partnership with Autodesk. Our intention is not to be just another vendor for you, but to work with you as a strategic partner to understand your business and help you achieve the business goals and outcomes that you desire. Put it another way, we want to move our relationship from technology focus to a business focus. Autodesk not only provides industry-leading technology, but we can also help ensure that you and your organizations are using all of the various technology available to you in the most effective way possible to achieve the business outcomes you desire. To do this effectively, we will engage with you and your teams on a continuous basis, not just periodically for select projects or when you're deploying new technologies or when there's a problem. In fact, rather than simply providing reactive support when there's an issue, we provide ongoing proactive guidance to help you avoid issues before they occur. This way, maximizing your productivity, achieving your business goals, and ensuring your long-term success. That's the kind of relationship we're talking about here when we say enterprise business agreement. As you may already know, Autodesk portfolio is large and continues to grow. We're continuously enhancing our products and bringing new and innovative technologies to the market. Rather than licensing products individually, with the risk that you might not have access to the latest tools or features you need to stay competitive, Autodesk Enterprise Business Agreement gives you flexible, on-demand access to an expansive portfolio of products throughout Autodesk TokenFlex agreement and licensing model. TokenFlex is designed with the needs of large organizations like yours and mine. It provides access to a huge portfolio of Autodesk products, including a broad range of both desktop software and cloud-based services, all of which can be accessed and used by your teams anytime, anywhere, globally. TokenFlex offers a number of important benefits. First off, TokenFlex gives you greater flexibility than traditional models. When you license or subscribe to a product one by one, you often have to purchase enough licenses and/or subscriptions to support your maximum number of users or peak usage levels. During slower times, numerous licenses or subscriptions might go unused. With TokenFlex, however, you only consume tokens when the products are used, so you can more easily align your level of investment with your actual level of use. What's more, you don't have to worry about not having enough licenses or subscriptions when you need to bring on additional users for larger projects. Extending access to additional users is easy, and usage is simply allocated against your token pool. Secondly, with TokenFlex, you get more access with the ability to use a broader range of technologies. As previously mentioned, an expansive range of products are available anytime, anywhere to users around the globe. So there is no need for complex extraterritorial rights or ETRs agreements. Another benefit of this model is that the portfolio of products you have access to is always evolving. So it gives you the ability to try new products without investing in additional licenses or subscriptions. And you have the comfort of knowing that you always have access to the latest and greatest technology, eliminating the risk of not having the product you need when your business demands increase or change. This is particularly important considering disruptive changes we talked about earlier and the need to continuously adapt in order to meet customer demands, deliver better products, and leverage the most effective and efficient production methods. Finally, TokenFlex also helps you better manage your technology investment. For example, TokenFlex Analytics and Usage Dashboard enables you to access and easily report on the number of monthly active users and tokens consumed. And it gives you deeper insights into usage trends, which can be particularly useful in helping you better plan for your future and make wiser technology investments over time. Additionally, because you can easily track token consumption by obtaining granular level of details on who uses and which products, where and when, you can easily tie technology costs to a specific business project or team that uses it and build back internal groups or divisions if need be. TokenFlex also makes it easier to centralize and simplify licensing management, and it streamlines procurement. You can add tokens to your token pool at any time. Many organizations are faced with a number of challenges when it comes to getting maximum business value from your technology. First, there's the challenge of deploying the technology, making sure that all users around the globe have the access they need. As I'm sure you know, simply giving users access can be quite complex and can take extended periods of time. Autodesk team can work with you and your internal teams to expedite this process, helping you get your technology into the hands of users who need it the most faster. Once users have access, it doesn't necessarily mean they're aware of it, or they may not have the knowledge and the skills to use the technology, including the latest features and workflows, in the most effective ways. So Autodesk can help you you and your end users get up to speed and become more knowledgeable and skilled at using the technology that they have at their disposal. And then there is optimization. Oftentimes, the technology is being used, but the process surrounding it are broken or are not as efficient as they could be. And ultimately, this costs your business time and money and drains your resources. Helping you optimize your technology across your organization is a powerful benefit of EBA. And finally, there's impact the technology is having or not having on your business. Sometimes companies can successfully roll out new technology, train users, streamline processes, but technology are not having the positive effect on the business that you want them to. Also, given the disruptive changes in the industry, many companies are finding that they need to adopt and change how they leverage technology in order to stay competitive and make a positive impact on the bottom line. As part of the Autodesk EBA, Autodesk Services team can work with you to help you address this kind of challenges and more, depending on your needs. We can help you increase operational effectiveness by working with you to improve technology access, increase your team's knowledge and skills, and optimize use so you leverage technology in the most effective ways. We can also help you transform your business where needed so you can keep up with the disruptive changes in the industry. We do this by providing strategic guidance, helping you make the informed decisions, and by giving you insights into the latest technology and the most innovative best practices to use it. Let me tell you more about the program. With your Customer Success Program, you'll have an assigned Customer Success Manager, or what we call a CSM. This individual will serve as a primary point of contact for the services that are delivered through the program and will engage everyone else that is needed to deliver on the objective. This program also includes Customer Success Plan that is designed with you in mind and aligns with your business needs. Your Customer Success Plan will specify the services that will be delivered to you to improve operational effectiveness and transform your business as needed to meet your specific business goals. Next, I will give you a few examples of the services we can provide and the outcomes we can help you achieve. When it comes to operational effectiveness, we provide services that can help you accelerate technology adoption, manage and avoid issues, increase productivity, and develop talent across your organization. So, for example, to help you accelerate technology adoption, we provide assistance with deployment of new Autodesk technology products, services, and features. This includes expert guidance to help you implement upgrades and new technology quickly and most smoothly in your complex environment. Our product experts also provide the recommendations to help you and your end users take advantage of the new technology products and latest release features. Also, your Customer Success Manager will lead quarterly business review with you to help assess technology adoption as well as progress you're making against the goals in your Customer Success Plan. To help manage and avoid issues, we assign a designated support specialist, or what we call a DSS, who works closely with you as a primary technical resource. We assess your operational environment and provide technical advice and recommendations to improve and help you keep your technology running at peak performance. We proactively analyze and your support cases and crash reports, or CERs, to identify trends and preventable issues. And when incidents do occur, we conduct a root cause analysis to minimize their occurrence or of avoidable issues. To help you increase productivity, we provide assistance to users worldwide during the local business hours, as well as support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for the most severe issues classified as Severity 1 incidents. Your designated support specialist, who becomes familiar with your operating environment, provides hands-on problem resolution and can assist you with your support process integration. When needed, your Customer Success Manager will be the escalation point of complex issues that require additional assistance. To help you build and develop talent, we regularly inform your teams about optimal product workflows and trending issues. We provide technical tips that are relevant to your business and industry. We deliver contents through targeted industry newsletters and an online enterprise priority hub which includes customer forums as well as live and virtual events. The customer forums and events give you team members an opportunity to connect with peers and subject matter experts and share your ideas with Autodesk product teams. This helps shape the future of Autodesk products. In addition to providing services aimed at operational effectiveness, we also provide services to help you transform your business as needed to meet your specific business goals. For example, as a true business advocate, your customer success manager will engage with you in a long-term partnership that maintains business continuity and helps garner executive buy-in on strategic initiatives. This includes representing your interests inside Autodesk and arranging periodic executive meetings and other engagements to help you explore how your businesses can transform from the latest industry, economic, and technology trends. Additionally, we conduct an annual business alignment workshop to update your customer success plan and realign it as needed with your evolving business strategy and priorities. To help you improve business performance, your customer success plan will include specific quantifiable success metrics and proven solutions that are tied to your business goals. Your CSM will meet with you regularly to assess the progress we're making against your plan. And you'll have access to exclusive enterprise events, including one-on-one connections with the industry experts, giving you the opportunity to discuss and better understand how to address business problems with Autodesk solutions. We'll also help you benchmark your performance compared to other business units, and/or compared to your industry peers, so you know where you stand and can point areas for ongoing improvements. To help you make informed decisions, we provide analysis and insights into the technology consumption, processes, and workflows relative to your business needs and goals. We'll also conduct a user productivity analysis to help you identify unmet needs and focus areas for your business. To help you gain a competitive edge and stay ahead of the curve, we provide ongoing guidance and recommendations from subject matter experts and thought leaders who can offer valuable insights into emerging trends and new technologies. We'll also share industry-specific, proven and validated best practices that can help your business compete more effectively. In addition, you can access consulting services through production assurance credits that can be used for strategic projects through the term of your EBA. Let me tell you about a little bit more about the production assurance credits. A predefined number of production assurance credits, or what we call PACs, can be included in your enterprise business agreements. These credits can be used during the EBA term to engage the service of the Autodesk consulting team for specific projects included in your customer success plan. The Autodesk consulting team consists of industry experts with years of experience and deep industry expertise. With focus on people, process, and technology, Autodesk consulting team can provide strategic and planning services, implementation services, optimization services, and more, depending on your business needs. So how do we all work together on this? With an enterprise business agreement in place, here's how it all happens. First of all, one of the benefits you have with enterprise priority support is the 24/7 severity 1 and 24/5 severity 2 and 3 case submission ability. But apart from that, enterprise priority support is not just the reactive support. It's more, an ongoing outcome-focused agreement that I mentioned before. We start by sitting down with you and your team to identify the business goals that Autodesk can help you achieve. Next, we work with you to define success metrics that are clearly delineated and what delineates what success looks like and how we will measure it. Then we put together a customer success plan, establishing the services that are needed to help you succeed. Once the plan is in place, we meet regularly to track progress against the plan, make sure that we're on track to achieve the success metrics, and refine the plan if needed. You're having the chance to meet Autodesk product team and learn about recently released features and emerging trends on EP and through our events. And you can use those events to share ideas with professional peers that are online in our EP communities. We'll listen to our customer feedback, as I mentioned, and it's a gift. Therefore, we'll always engage the key stakeholders from you as a client and give you as a possibility to share your feedback with our EP team at all times. The result, you can tie your investment specific to quantifiable business outcomes and value. So I talked a little bit about customer success plan. So let me tell you a little bit more about it. What exactly is the CSP? In simple terms, a customer success plan is a plan that we create and agree on to ensure results or outcomes of value when using our products and services. This joint plan helps to provide clarity along each of the areas you see on that we talked about. It starts with a what, which is what activities and initiatives will be delivered through the EBA, and why is it important to you as a customer. Alignment on when and who will deliver on both of the sides enables us to ensure the proper alignment and execution. Similar, it's important for both parties to discuss and understand how those activities will be delivered and when. We will be providing virtual webinars just like this or on site. By tying all of these together into one document, the CSP becomes the guide for how we engage with you and ultimately how we know we're on track for helping you achieve your desired results. It's important to emphasize that Customer Success Plan is a written document that we build up front together. It specifies the services that Autodesk will deliver as part of the EBA. It lays out the time frame in which those services will be performed, and it ties everything back to your business goals and success metrics that we agreed to. You can think of a customer success plan as a guidepost that drives everything we do, helping to ensure that resources are used wisely and services delivered are directly aligned with your organizational needs. Now let's talk a little bit more about Enterprise Priority Support, or EP for short. EP is designated specifically for large enterprise organizations to help get the most out of the technology investments in 4 key ways. First is leveraging the technology more effectively. Our team comes from industry, has expertise across all of our portfolio, and work with many of the most forward-thinking companies in the industry. They can bring that knowledge to bear for you by providing exposure to newer workflows or through a seminar for your team on the topic that you can help them that helps saves you time. EP also helps customers better manage costs and avoid issues before they occur with proactive services. For example, the EP team can provide informative analytics based on customer usage and error reports to help identify where improvements might be needed, where they can perform root cause analysis to really understand why certain issues are occurring and help prevent them from ever happening again. EP also helps customers stay ahead of the curve by keeping you connected with Autodesk development teams through innovation-only events and online EP communities. Staying connected with Autodesk development teams and with your peers can help you stay on top of the latest developments and workflows in your area. And of course, EP can help you help customers increase productivity. We can help teams of global experts who can assist users worldwide and provide hands-on problem resolution. Being part of Enterprise Priority allows you to attend a number of EP exclusive events that our teams put together. These events are held both in person and virtually through the year, providing you with opportunity to connect with Autodesk developers and other technical experts. As part of EP, customers, you'll receive periodic invitations to a variety of such events, such as webinars, similar to what we're doing now, where we feature expert speakers from Autodesk product development and support teams and focus on key area of interest for you as a customer. For example, a webinar might feature an Autodesk product manager providing an overview of how to use new product features and new releases, and how the new capabilities will help improve your specific workflows. Live events, which are held throughout the year and face-to-face at Autodesk universities around the world. These events will give you an opportunity to not only meet with Autodesk experts, but also with your peers in the industry, and discuss most common problems for you. And last but not least, open mic sessions. EP team also organizes open mics where you can hear about successes, challenges, and benchmarking from your peers directly, and share best practices in the industry yourself. In these sessions, you will discuss topics like future making things, Internet of Things, and other innovations that are shaping your world. You also have access to the Enterprise Priority Hub, where you, as I mentioned earlier today, where this webcast will be recorded and stored as well. All of our events are actually recorded and hosted and available for on-demand viewing. The Enterprise Customer Hub is a new customer-facing engagement platform that's designed to be one-stop shop for everything you need. It's intended to be a go-to resource to learn, connect, and share the expertise from you amongst other customers as well. It's also designed to unify our enterprise community, aggregate industry newsletters content, and promote a full calendar of events that we are putting together for you. And as you can see, if you get to the Enterprise Hub, you'll be able to see all of the articles, browse through them. There's a calendar of events, there's discussions, there's all of the on-demand webcasts that we recorded for you that you can actually filter down by themes that are very interesting, specific to you or to your organization. And also Enterprise Hub has the place where you will connect to all of the customer discussion forums as well. As a registered Enterprise Priority customer, you're qualified to receive member-only technical content, invites to live webinars, as I mentioned, and other special events. You can stay up to date on the future events, curated content, and more. Just make sure you update your profile and let us know what types of content would you like to receive from us going forward. And you can do that by going to the https autodesk.sk/ep-signup. And we will provide the links to all of this in the recording as well. Here's some few samples of type of communications that you could expect. First is the weekly event digest that we send out for all upcoming events and on-demand webinars that we recorded for you customers. You can register to review, or you can actually come back and view them at your leisure as well. After major events like EU, expect to see a wrap-up of highlights and key takeaways. And on a monthly basis, we will send industry-specific newsletters with technical tips and content that's relevant to you and your business. Last but not least, we want to hear from you. As I mentioned, feedback is a gift. Our Customer Success Services is looking for your input on our various services and offerings. Our current enterprise priority support services includes, but not limited to, customer success management, as I said, CSM, support, designated support specialists, all of our content and webinars and newsletters that we deliver, and other events that we host throughout the year. Once a quarter, we will ask for your feedback in the form of a 10-minute questionnaire. We'll also share the results anonymously via survey and provide associated next steps. So if you want to influence Autodesk Customer Success Services, please sign up at the link below as well. In closing, I hope this session was informative for you. As an enterprise priority customer, remember that you have a team here at Autodesk that's dedicated to help you drive your success. You have access to all of the technology, support, CSM, and industry-related content that is specific to EP customers like yourself. To better serve you, we simply ask that you sign up for our newsletters with the link above. Log into the Enterprise Hub, where we host all of our content, and start thinking about how we can help you be more successful.